My name is Kalyan, and my teammates are Yugendra and Vignan. So today we are going to implement an Android application with features like location and camera, and one of the API for machine learning, that's image recognition, Watson API. So and also one of the storage for databases. So we use the Firebase database for email and login authentications. So and layouts also, that's the one. So coming to the XML part, so first we design the login and registration XMLs. So these are the ones. So we add IDs for each of them, so that we can just call that in the Java classes. So coming to the login activity. So here, in login activity, all the storage of email and passwords is done. So here we call the function login, and we invoke the buttons, text with the button names, and we validate here if it's empty or not. So if it's empty, it just pops an error message. So and here, if we call on complete listener. So on this, if the task is successful, so it just redirects to the the home page. So it just checks here the if the email is present in the Firebase or not, else it shows the uh, invalid username. So coming to the registration part, so same as that. So here we write registration button in the XML file. So on clicking on the register button, so it just comes to this function and checks everything. So it just takes the username, password, and if it's empty, just please just enters please enter the email. So it creates a bundle, so authorization, so that it creates user's email and password. So email, here the method. So here the email will go to this one and password to go to this one. So if the task is successful, it shows a message that it's successful. If it's failed, it shows it's unsuccessful. So coming to the map activity, here we use the location API. So we added the key here for the Google. So from Google SDK, so it's we use Google SDKs. SDK. So I use one of the SDKs here in Google. So this is the APIs, that everything that comes from here. So we just add the key here. And for the map activity, so it just displays the location that we entered. So here we declare everything variables, and we declare some functions. So first we we need to get the current location details. So here, this method used for checking getting the current detail locations, and this is for the permissions. So initializing maps, everything permissions are allowed. And here is this will call when the current location of device is activated. So everything permissions are checked and accepted, and this is the main function for getting the location details and checking the location permissions, and getting the current location and updating the location. So here we add the longitude and longitude to that too. So this is the one for map activity. So coming to the camera, so here we used Watson API image visualization. So we added the key here, and so on create bundle, so here everything all the visualization methods are done. So on try catch, we use and try to input stream. So image stream, we add the image to that and get the results. So on success, it just displays it, and bottom it gives 4 or 5 values of with the prediction rate, it's an image or not, or not. So we save the image on that and just displays bottom the, I mean, the values. So let's just run. So for running, I'll just run in my Android mobile. So for that, I'll upload another video. Thank you.